Let's review. What does the Madrasah program of the K-12 curriculum prove? A. Gender sensitivity. B. Unity. C. Exclusivity. D. Inclusivity. Pursuant to the 1987 Philippine Constitution and Republic Act No. 10,533, otherwise known as the Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, the Department of Education issued the policy guidelines on Madrasah education in the K-12 Basic Education Program, in which it aims to provide Muslim learners with appropriate and relevant educational opportunities while recognizing their cultural context and unique purposes for participating in the program offerings, and integrate content and competencies which are relevant and of interest to Muslim learners. This policy seeks to harmonize existing DepEd issuances on Muslim education, with new provisions for more effective and efficient program development, implementation and evaluation. Moreover, this shall also serve as the basis for the development of the Manual of Operations for the governance and administration of the Madrasah Education Program. In short, Madrasah program promotes inclusivity, meaning, this practice or policy provides equal access to opportunities and resources for people who might otherwise be excluded or marginalized, such as those Muslim groups that were discussed. So the answer is D. Inclusivity.
Follow our social media to get more updates and install our Let's Review app to practice.